Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. So, let's start our new topic today. In our history topic is chapter number 1, Neolithic Age. So, we will study about the Neolithic period, which began around 10,000 BC with the beginnings of agriculture and livestock farming. It begins with agriculture and livestock farming, and it ended around 4500 BC. So, what we know here is it started around 10,000 BC with the beginning of agriculture and livestock farming, and it ended around 4500 BC when metalworking began to be developed. So, this is the period of beginning and ending of Neolithic period. From the beginning of agriculture and livestock farming to the beginning of metalworking. Okay, so agriculture and livestock farming people, it is the age of these people who were farmers, or their profession was agriculture. Okay, people had to adopt to environmental changes. Agriculture and livestock farming began to be practiced. So now we'll see how the Neolithic revolution has evolved. The changes began in what is called Fertile Crescent. So here in our picture we can see that where the Neolithic period began. It's a moon like shaped region where this period began, and from here agriculture spread across the major river plains of Europe, China and India. It emerged in America, it emerged independently. So this is how it spreads all over the world. The Neolithic Revolution, a productive economy. So the discovery of agriculture has developed in this period. People observed that seeds that fell to the ground grew into new plants over time. So what people observed, that seeds that fell into the ground grew into new plants over time. This was their observation, which began the farming crops like wheat and rice. Okay, you can see in the picture here farmers collecting the harvest in the Neolithic period, a productive economy. So the Neolithic revolution, a productive economy, the discovery of livestock farming. So again here people started to confine animals in pens to keep them as a meat source. Type of livestock. What is livestock? It's keeping animals like sheep, goats, pigs and oxen. Okay, this is also called the domesticating animals. The birth of a sedentary way of life. So it means that it was a new way of life which advanced people, and their way of living has changed and advanced. People had to remain near their fields or crops and herds, and farmers and herdsmen adopted a sedentary way of life. Small hamlets and farming settlements arose. Okay, you can see that in this picture. The birth of a sedentary way of life. Hamlets and farming settlements arose. They were located on the banks of river. At first they consisted of bamboo cabins roofed with the branches and reinforced with clay and then stone or adobe houses. Over time some of these settlements became cities. So people began to live in villages and houses. Before that the culture of houses was not developed before the Neolithic period. So this is a new Stone Age. A number of different trades also arose, and all along with the farmers and herdsmen, the first craftsmen established themselves. They made tools that were exchanged for food with the farmers. So again we have another thing or revolution in this period, which is technology. With technology they made tools when the farmers used to enhance their crops. Okay, so we will study as well about the tools which they have developed or invented. Grinding or polishing the stone, they eliminated rough edges and made the stone more resistant. So they have used stones in a new way. New tools to carry out agriculture tasks, hoes to work ground, stickers to harvest the crops, pestles and mortars to grind the grains. So these are the instruments or the tools they have used in agriculture tasks like hoes, stickers and pestles. You can see in the picture here. The main inventions of this period were pottery and woven textiles. So the main focus or the main inventions were pottery and woven textiles. So what is pottery? Is made of with pots made of mud. Pottery was made by hand from clay. Yeah, it's clay, then baked in a fire. So what was the procedure of pottery? Pottery was made by hand. So it was made by hand from clay and then baked in a fire. So it became a pot. It was used to store and cook food. Woven textiles were made from the linen or wool and were woven on rudimentary looms. So you can see with these inventions, life became more advanced in the Neolithic period. So this was a revolution. The main invention of this period were pottery and woven textiles. Okay, remember. So working with the new tools. So here as I told you that we will see about the tools or inventions of agriculture here. So you can see these tools: tilling and sowing, recapping, reaping, threshing, baking bread, storing and milling. Okay, these are the activities performed by these tools. Okay students, so birth of sanitary way of life, the Hamlet. So can you see the whole society here, the Neolithic period? Livestock farming, agriculture, sickle crop transport, stone grinding, polishing, pottery and loom. So this is the whole picture. So students, we have learned today about the Neolithic period, the prehistoric period, a new stone age. It was the major revolutionary period of the whole world. So I hope you have understood. Thank you so much.